1988, the NES is a global living room phenomenon. PCs are pivoting from niche to mainstream, and game companies just can't find enough pros equipped to meet the moment. Claude Comer, co-founder of Nintendo Software Technology, saw what was missing: the hands-on, collaborative, technical experience the future of the game industry needed. So he hit start on a brand new kind of school, DigiPen Institute of Technology, the original video game college. Offering the world's first bachelor's degree in game development, DigiPen began teaching the developers, artists, and designers who would power an entire industry. As the industry grew, DigiPen did too, turning into a center of innovation, not just for game development, but for digital art and animation, sound design, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Now a global institution, DigiPen spans 3 continents, campuses in Redmond, Washington, Bilbao, Spain, and Singapore. But this isn't just DigiPen's story, it's where your story begins. You have worlds to build, futures to create, and now you have a college that places your passion in the curriculum. Your campuses will become your studio, and your peers will become your collaborators. Artists, programmers, designers, and musicians, bringing ideas to life that are only possible when you work together. You'll learn by doing, following the same production pipelines the pros use, and the original games, films, and tech you create here will become the portfolio that helps launch your career. At DigiPen's Redmond, Washington campus, you'll study in the heart of a global tech hub, surrounded by 400 interactive media companies that include industry titans like Nintendo, Microsoft, Amazon, and more. Through partnerships, events, and visits, you'll get to connect with many of them right here on campus. You'll gain insight from faculty who helped ship the games, films, and tech you grew up with, and from those who are still building the industry today, teaching you practical, real-world skills you'll need to succeed. You'll master both the fundamentals and the cutting edge, and most importantly, you'll learn how to keep learning, so you can thrive in a world where technology and creativity never stop evolving. Along the way, you'll also find your people, fellow fans, makers, dreamers, and doers. You'll join a community that grows with you, both on campus and into the future, shaping the industry together and building the experiences that will define tomorrow. Just like in 1988, the world is at another turning point. Back then, studios needed developers ready to meet the gaming boom. Today, industries everywhere are racing towards new frontiers: AI, interactive media, and emerging technologies. DigiPen was built to meet the moment then, and we're here to help you meet the moment now. What will you create?